Welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 2030 horse long shaft tiller, Yamaha. This one had 100 PSI on all 3 cylinders, new spark plugs, new lower unit lube, new impeller, and then we cleaned the fuel system. This is electric start. We'll go ahead and fire this one up here. Give it a second here to warm up. Pumping good water. I am going to have to turn the fan on this one. It is 2-stroke. Neutral, reverse, back to neutral, and kill it. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call, 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.